Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amelia here. In today's video I'm going to be making keto chili with what I have in my fridge. It's really cold outside today, so we'll be going feel like eating chili, and I didn't feel going to the store to buy stuff. So you know what, I decided, you know what, just go ahead, use what you have in your fridge, and you don't have to go outside to go buy anything. So I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to use, and I'm going to be using my Instant Pot. That's why I'm going to go ahead and make the chili in. I did find this like simple recipe online, and I'm just going to put my own twist to it. So this is what I'm going to be doing, so stay tuned. If you're new here, thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time I post a video. So stay tuned, and I will show you everything that I'm going to be using and how I do it, and I'll show you what it looks like. So stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amelia here. In today's video I'm going to be making keto chili with what I have in my fridge. It's really cold outside today, so we'll be going feel like eating chili, and I didn't feel going to the store to buy stuff. So you know what, I decided, you know what, just go ahead, use what you have in your fridge, and you don't have to go outside to go buy anything. So I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to use, and I'm going to be using my Instant Pot. That's why I'm going to go ahead and make the chili in. I did find this like simple recipe online, and I'm just going to put my own twist to it. So this is what I'm going to be doing, so stay tuned. If you're new here, thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time I post a video. So stay tuned, and I will show you everything that I'm going to be using and how I do it, and I'll show you what it looks like. So stay tuned. So I have my Instant Pot over here. Like I said, I'm going to be using my Instant Pot to make this chili. And then for the meat, this is what I have. I had some Italian style meatballs that I have in my fridge, so I took it out. And then I have this Italian sausage, sweet or natural. I had that in my fridge. And then I cut up some kielbasa sausages, so that's what over there. And I have 1 onion and half red green bell pepper. I don't have any red bell peppers, so I have that. And then I have some like fresh cut tomatoes. My husband's friend give that to him from his garden, so I'm going to be using that. And then these for seasoning, these are all the seasoning that I have. I don't have chili powder, but I do have some like extra virgin olive oil, and I have this like red hot original seasoning, so I'm going to use a little bit of that. And I will be using some paprika. I do have some what is this, cayenne pepper. I have some black pepper. Then I have some like pink Himalayan salt that I have here. I do have this like Motown all seasonings salt, so I'll use just a little bit of that. And I have garlic powder. I don't have any chicken stock or anything like that, so I'm just gonna go ahead now and plug my Instant Pot here. Get this started. And also I just got this Instant Pot. I got this on sale from Walmart, and it actually was on sale for $49.99. so you can check your Walmart too and see if they have any. So I'm gonna go ahead first and I hit the saute button, so I can go ahead and get started on sauteing my onions and bell pepper and stuff. So hold on. So as you can see here, I put just a tablespoon or 2 the extra virgin olive oil. So I'm just waiting for this to heat up a little bit, and I will go ahead and just add my onions in there, and then just saute them a little bit, and then add everything else. And I guess I'll just throw it up. So disclaimer here, I've never made chili before. this is the first time that I'm making chili. So I'm gonna go ahead now and just dump this in here. So as you can see, I do have, I don't know if you can see, yeah. Okay, there we go. I do have the onion and the green bell pepper in there. I'm just gonna let it saute a little bit, and then I'll add my meat to that. So like I said, I just got the Instant Pot. I always been wanting one. I've seen a lot on YouTube and everybody got an Instant Pot. So I finally went and got me one, and I'm excited about it too. So I'm going to let that go a little bit here. And then I will add my meat and put some seasoning in there. I'm going to put a little bit of salt, black pepper, garlic. I love garlic, so I'll go ahead. And like I said, you don't have to go to the store to buy stuff. You can just go ahead and use what you have. That's the whole point. You know, I'm just being frugal today. So, and I wanted to have chili because it's really cold outside. So I'm just using what I have. And yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So you can go ahead and do the same thing too. I never really made chili before, so this is the first time. So I'm excited to see how it turned out. I know it turned out good. So this is keto because I do keto. So there would be no beans in here, nothing, and it's just, you know, it'll still be filling, and I still get to eat it. So I'm excited about that. So stay tuned. I'm about to go ahead and add my meat in there, let it cook a little bit, and then add some seasoning to it, and then add and just dump everything in there and let it cook for 15 minutes in the Instant Pot. Because according to the video, like if you're using like a regular pot, so it's like probably like 20 minutes, but the Instant Pot is like 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let this cook out. I'm about to dump the meat in here now, and then just go ahead now and just dump the meat in there. And I'm just trying to like just mash up everything and then just make sure everything I don't know if you guys can see in there. I'm just trying to brown, like make sure all my meat and stuff. So I'm just having, like right now, I'm just like trying to make sure I saute my meat. And then just try to like mash it down because I don't want the lumpy. The meatballs was kind of like super baked, so I'm just trying to mash it out. And make sure everything is just not too like. Yeah, so that's just what I'm doing, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning here. And so like I said, you can season this to taste. A tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and all the seasoning that I use. And I'm gonna put a little bit of cayenne pepper in there too, just to make sure, because I wanted seasoning is really good. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just gonna make sure all the meat is not too big, because I don't want them to be like meatballs. So that's what I'm doing, just trying to make sure. I don't have a spatulator, so I can't really ground my meat, but this is what I have. So I'm just using what I have. So it's cooking. It looks good now. So first I'm about to add my seasoning to it. So I'm using a little bit of this, I don't know if you guys can see it, the red hot, just a little bit in there. Okay. And I have the paprika here, so I'm going to add a little bit to that. I already showed you guys all the seasoning that I'm using, so I'm just adding the seasoning now to it. A little bit of black pepper. This is the garlic. And the season all. And most of these seasoning them, I get them from Sam's Club. So this is where I get my seasonings from. So and then the pink Himalayan salt, and then just a pinch of cayenne pepper. And then I'm just going to put the salt on here. Then I'll go ahead to and then just add my I know this will turn out good, and I'm just gonna go ahead and taste it and make sure there's seasoning, enough seasoning in there, or add if I need to add anything else. But I'm gonna just let this simmer a little bit because I have it on simmer right now. So I'm just let this keep cooking. And then I'll add my tomato, and then add some water, and then let it cook for 15 minutes. So as you can see, my meat is like cooked pretty much. So I'm gonna go ahead now and just add the fresh tomatoes. And add them in there. And just give it a stir. Oops. And I do have, I think what I'm going to do, and I do have this tomato paste. So I will go ahead and add tomato paste in here. And then I don't have any chicken stock or anything like that. So I would definitely go ahead and add some water to it. And let it cook for 20 minutes. So stay tuned, and I'll probably add some seasoning if I want to add seasoning, if needed, and if not, then I'll just let it be. So I'll taste it. But I'm about to put the tomato paste in there, put some water there, and then just let it cook down for 15 minutes. So I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, after 20 minutes in my Instant Pot, this is what my chili look like, y'all. It looks so good. Looks so good. It's all ready. Looks super good. So this is keto friendly.
I'm just kidding.
Don't listen, that's my son talking in the background. This is keto friendly. Tastes good. And this is just what I have in my fridge. So I'm about to pour some in a bowl. Let me put them in a bowl, y'all, so you can see exactly what it looks like. So I have my little bowl sitting right here. I'm about to go. Look at all that goodness. I'm gonna put it over there. Pour me some. Just a little bit more. And I have some good old cheddar cheese. Some good old cheddar cheese that I'm about to open. And just sprinkle some over there. Look at this. And there you have it. Keto chili with what I had in my fridge. No. Yep, I just used what I have. And this is it. So good. So, subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell, and it'll tell you every time I post a new video. So stay tuned. Yep, keto chili in my Instant Pot. No beans. Just use what I have in my fridge. And this is it. Thank you. Bye.